How to record video from your Quest headset. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to record video from your Quest headset. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first, press the Oculus button on your right touch controller to pull up your universal menu. Then, select this share button. And then, in the next menu, you'll see in the top right hand corner, there's the recording. So, because I'm already recording this video, I can't click it again, but you can tell if you're recording a video because there's a red dot on your screen. So there will be a toggle button that you just need to select to include your mic audio if you want to include microphone audio in the video, and then select start recording. So as I said, a red dot will appear in VR to indicate that the recording has started. This video capture indicator can be controlled from settings. Then next, if you want to stop recording, come back to this menu and then tap on recording and it's going to stop recording. And that's all it takes to record video from your Quest headset. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.